student friends. Today we are going to learn the concept of blending. The production of man-made fibers has shown a steady increase worldwide. In India, this increase has been phenomenal. The production of polyester fiber today is much higher than the consumption by our own industries. This is due to the ever increasing population and due to the less availability of natural fibers. The natural fibers cannot be increased to the required demand because of the less availability of the land, and more land need to be there for providing the food which is required for the exploding world population. The another reason for the increase in the polyester fiber or synthetic fibers is due to their ever increasing and very good properties, superior properties, uniform properties, tailor-made properties, and as well as they are free from the foreign impurities. So they are used in variety of applications like geotextiles, medical textiles, industrial textiles. Apart from that, they are having very good tenacity, higher abrasion resistance, higher chemical resistance, higher elasticity, higher elastic recovery, as well as a very good durability. But then the another attribute of the polyester fiber is they are non-biodegradable in nature. Some of the synthetic fibers are having non-biodegradability, which makes a very undesirable attribute of the synthetic fibers. But then the cotton fiber, which is having a very good comfort property. But when we come to other disadvantages of the polyester fiber, they are prone to rotting, they are having very less moisture regain, they are having harsher feel, and so the cotton fibers are having cotton fibers are having a very good comfortable property. And then apart from that, cotton is cool in summer. Silk, when we think about the next natural fiber, that is a silk, which is a cool in summer and hot in winter, whereas nylon, which is cool in winter and hot in summer. Wool gives out heat on wetting, which is a very good attribute of the natural fibers. But then cotton fibers are having less uniform properties, particularly in length, because variations are to be bound in nature. We cannot totally eliminate the variations, we can reduce it. But then why? Because we are not taking particularly cotton, which is a major natural fiber, from the one plant, not only from one farm, not only from one city, but then we are taking the cotton fiber from different farms of different plants and from different cities, also from different countries. So we cannot totally eliminate the variations of the natural fibers, which also makes us use of synthetic fibers. But then what we can do is that we can have a blend of these two fibers together. So the most practical way to have a blending of these two fibers together, when we blend two different fibers, then it is called a binary blend. When we have a blending of three different fibers, it is called as a tertiary blend. This blending is a judicious science. Today the word quality has to be defined which satisfies the customer, but then not only which satisfies some particular physical or mechanical properties. So the complete understanding of the mechanism of the constituent fibers into the final yarn properties is the way, or is the key to optimize to have the optimum use of the constituent fibers. So a blend can be between different man-made fibers, it can be between natural and man-made fibers, and also can be different natural fibers. Generally, there are different blends which are in use, like polyester viscose, polyester cotton, polyester polynoxic, cotton viscose, cotton acrylic, etc. So when we blend the fibers, we can come out with the positive attributes of both the fibers together in the final blend, and also we can suppress the negative attributes of both the fibers. So in short, the objectives of the blending include improvement in the functional properties of the yarns or fabric. Deficiency in proper yarn blending leads not only to poor yarn properties but also leads to the fabric defects. So, in short, we can come out to a conclusion that the objectives of the blending can be improvement in the functional properties of yarns or fabrics, improvement in the process performance, economy, and also to have the fancy effects in the final yarns and fabrics. Thank you, friends.